And good Tuesday morning, everybody. Meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you here. Another check of your weather on the ones. And yeah, we're going to open up the history books. 56 years ago today, a little bit of snow was recorded in Bowling Green, 0.2 of an inch, probably heavy dusting, we'll call it. But that is a record for the day. And the reason I say that is there is the very, very slight chance that we could see a couple of flakes flying through the air on Thursday. Still a lot of uncertainties, no accumulation, obviously. But could we see a little bit of flurry activity or a little bit of a rain-snow mix? Certainly possible, especially across our far eastern sections, Bowling Green through Owensboro. I think the further west you go, that snow chance will become much, much less. But we got to get through showers first today. And another mild day for the most part. But notice by the lunch hour, the back edge of that rainfall here is just about exiting the area, and we should see some pretty quick clearing behind it. So for the ride home, we could see some peaks of sunshine, which would certainly be a nice change over all of the persistent cloud cover that we have seen lately. We could see a little bit of patchy fog developing tonight and into tomorrow morning before more clouds roll in here and more chances for showers. Now, what you see here is our next system. Notice the stiff northwesterly flow behind this shower activity, and that's when we're going to start to see the floodgates open and that much cooler air start to get in here. Temperatures are expected to fall through the afternoon here on Wednesday as that much colder air starts to make its way into the area. So those showers continuing to ease off the gas pedal as we go through the morning hours, but we still should be on the warm side here into the 70s. Normal high is 58, well above that today, into the 70s with some peaks of sunshine by the afternoon. And then we could see a little bit of that fog tonight. Still a little bit on the warm side, right around 50 degrees. But then as we get deeper into the time period, notice today well above average, the entire tri-state, but here comes that cold air where we'll be well below average by the time we get to our Thursday and beyond. So keep that in mind here. Wednesday afternoon, we could see temperatures starting to fall through the afternoon into the evening. Very chilly waking up Thursday morning. Temperatures only in the 40s. We're keeping precip out of the forecast for right now, but it is going to be a pretty close call. But otherwise, a breezy and chilly day on Thursday.